Okay, real talk. Have you ever checked your bank account tapos naisip mo, saan napunta yung sweldo ko? Don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa. We've all been there. Sweldo in the morning, luhaan by lunchtime. But here's the thing. Managing money doesn't need to be complicated. Hindi mo kailangan ng PhD sa finance or magbenta ng kidney sa Shopee. What you do need are a few solid practical habits na madaling sundan, kahit antok ka pa or gutom. In this video/presentation, I'll walk you through 7 simple money tips para di ka na lagi nagkakalkula ng kung sapat pa ba ang natira for Jollibee sa katapusan. So, grab your kape, your calculator or not, and let's start with tip number 1. Okay, unang tip and honestly, pinaka-underrated. Track every peso. Bakit? Kasi kung hindi mo alam kung saan napupunta pera mo, paano mo maaayos yung finances mo? That's like trying to lose weight without checking kung ilang cups ng rice ang nilalantakan mo daily. You don't need a fancy Excel sheet or some AI-powered app. Pwede na simpleng notebook lang or yung notes app sa cellphone mo or kahit ilista mo lang sa resibo mo from 7-Eleven. Pero kung techie ka, may mga apps like Moneylover, Notion, or Wallet na sobrang daling gamitin. Ang goal lang, awareness. Malalaman mo na pala 3,200 every month na pupunta sa milk tea and delivery fees. And I love milk tea, pero kung makakabili ka ng shares ng Jollibee dahil sa savings mo, baka worth it, di ba? Pro tip, balikan mo yung last 30 days of expenses, itotal mo yon, then magdrama sandali, then gumawa ng game plan. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Pero huwag ka muna mag-exit. Promise, this one's easy. It's called 50-30-20 rule. And no, it's not a new law sa Congress. Basically, ganito lang yan. 50% for needs, tulad ng kuryente, renta mo, tubig, bigas. Yung mga bagay na pag nawala, mapapaisip ka kung lilipat ka pa sa bundok. 30% for wants, tulad ng milk tea, K-dramas, Shopee Budol, na di mo kailangan pero add to cart pa rin. 20% naman for savings or debt, pang retirement mo, emergency fund, or pambayad sa utang na parang ex mong hindi maka-let go. Sound simple? Kasi simple talaga. Pero here's the magic. Once you see where your money should go, mas madali i-control yung urge na magpa-load ng 2,000 pesos sa GCash para lang sa 11/11 sale. Tama. Pro tip, if hindi kaya agad yung 20% savings, okay lang. Start with 5%, 10%, kahit piso, basta consistent. Budgeting is not about perfection. It's about direction. Let's be honest, saving money manually is hard. Parang gym membership mo. Laging sinasabi mong bukas na ako magsisimula. But what if I told you, you don't have to rely on willpower anymore? Because willpower is like load. Laging nauubos. That's why smart people like you, yes, ikaw, automate mo yung savings mo. Pagdating ng sweldo, set up a rule, auto-transfer 500 to a savings account. Or better, diretso na sa investment like mutual funds or digital banks na may mas mataas na interest. Now, here's the silent killer of your savings, lifestyle creep. Ito yung phenomenon na pag tumaas ang income mo, tumataas din bigla ang gastos mo. Like, ay, may bonus ako, tara, iPhone 17 Pro Max Ultra Mega Edition. No judgment ha, guilty rin ako minsan. Pero real talk, if you keep upgrading your lifestyle every time tumaas ang kita mo, you'll always feel broke, just in fancier clothes. Here's a better plan. Got a raise? Congrats! Now, use that extra cash to pay off your debt faster. Bayadan mo yung utang or build your emergency fund or invest it para yung future you can chill while the current you hassles. Live like you're still broke until you are actually rich. Hindi nakakahiya magtipid. Nakakahiya yung 15 years nagwo-work pero walang ipon. So next time na may increase ka, celebrate with Lumpiang Shanghai, not a down payment sa iPad. Next tip, a skill that separates the rich from ubos na agad sweldo gang. Delay gratification. In short, just because you can buy it doesn't mean you should. Yes, Hindi kahit na nakasale siya. Kahit 80% off. Kung hindi mo kailangan, hindi ka nakatipid. Napabili ka. Here's a simple hack. The 24-hour rule. Pag may gusto kang bilhin, wait 24 hours. Tulugan mo muna. Chances are, kinabukasan, hindi mo na sa ganun ka gusto. Or worse, nakalimutan mo na gusto mo pala yun. So, pro tip, add to cart, sure, no problem. Check out, bukas na lang. You might just save yourself 5,000 pesos and a whole lot of regret. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa next tip, kung gusto mong gumawa kami ng mga videos pa na libre patungkol sa investment, i-comment mo down below invest para makita namin na marami yung interesado sa ganong klase ng content. And para ma-manifest mo na magkaroon ng maraming savings and investments, hit mo na rin yung like button dito sa video na to. And don't forget to subscribe Okay, serious mode tayo ng slide. This next tip is non-negotiable. If gusto mong matahimik ang buhay mo, build an emergency fund, also known as pera para sa mga oh no moments in life. Like, nawalan ka ng work, biglang may hospital bill, or nasira yung laptop mo the night before a Zoom presentation. Kung wala kang emergency fund, guess what? Credit card or utang ang takbuhan. Tapos boom, utang spiral na yan. Hindi yan fun ride sa Enchanted Besh. Ang goal, mag-ipon ng at least 3 to 6 months worth ng basic expenses. Hindi kasama ang milk tea budget Essentials lang. And please, huwag ilagay sa coin bank sa ilalim ng kama. Put it in a high interest savings account. Yung legit. Hindi yung ipon challenge na nauuwi sa Shopee checkout. Build this fund before you invest, before you upgrade your phone, before anything else. It's your life shock absorber para kahit anong lubak, tuloy ang buhay. Last but definitely not the least, and this is one of my favorite. This one's like cheat code sa buhay. Keep learning about money. Kasi real talk, walang nagturo sa atin ito sa school. They taught us the Pythagorean theorem. Pero walang nagturo paano mag-budget pag may utang, bills at barkada na laging nagyayabang mag-Starbucks. So, ngayon, choice mo na to. Educate yourself. And good news, libre. Tulad ng channel ng Phil Mentors. Subscribe and hit me yung notification bell para pag gumawa kami ng mga ganito pang videos, ma-notify ka. May mga podcast dyan, may mga vlogs, TikTok creators na legit, nandyan lahat. Start ka ng mga libro tulad ng The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Sobrang ganda, parang therapy plus money advice in one. Ang bonus tip, follow people who make you smarter, not just more entertained. Yes, may time para sa mga memes, pero dapat may time din para sa financial freedom. Kaya, subscribe mo tong channel namin. Okay? Remember, what you don't know about money, usually yun yung dahilan kung bakit nauubo siya. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Shall we? Number 1, track every peso. Next, follow the 50-30-20 rule. Automate your savings. Next, avoid lifestyle creep. Next, delay gratification. Next, build your emergency fund. Next, favorite natin, educate yourself daily. Like watching videos from Phil Mentors. Kung nagets mo lahat yan, congratulations. You now know more about money management than 90% of people na laging nag-aabang ng sweldo para makabawi. Pero knowledge without action, sayang lang. Parang gym membership na hindi naman pinupuntahan. So here's what I want you to do next. Download my free guide. Access mo yung free guide. The Filipino Wealth Starter Kit. Inside, you'll get templates, tool, and a full 7-day plan para simulan mo na yung journey mo to financial freedom. Visit mo lang philmentors.com/free. Again, that's philmentors.com/free kasi libre siya, pero life-changing. So, ilalagay din namin yung link sa description below. Thanks for watching, listening, and remember, you don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to get rich. Okay, quick disclaimer. Before magturo pa ako ng mga masyadong malupit na videos, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional. Lahat ng tips dito are for educational and information purposes only. Hindi to professional advice, okay? What worked for me or for others might not be perfect for your situation. So please do your own research and consult with the pro before making big financial decisions. Alright? See you sa mga susunod pang videos.